Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Akamai Network Engineering, Lecture 04. Network Infrastructure and Services. The importance of network infrastructure and services. Local area networks LANs and wide area networks WANs. Understanding Ethernet technologies and standards. The benefits of VPN virtual private network implementations. Wireless networks and technologies. The importance of network infrastructure and services. In today's fast-paced world, it's essential for businesses and organizations to have a reliable network, infrastructure, and services. A strong network system can improve productivity, enhance communication, and provide a competitive advantage. Investing in a good network system is not only important, but it's also necessary for success. Without a reliable network infrastructure and services, businesses and organizations may experience downtime, slow connection speeds, and security breaches. These issues can result in lost revenue, decreased customer satisfaction, and damaged reputation. By investing in a good network system, businesses and organizations can avoid these problems and ensure that their operations run smoothly. Local area networks LANs and wide area networks WANs. Local area networks LANs are computer networks that connect devices within a limited area, such as a home, office, or school. LANs are typically faster and more reliable than wide area networks WANs, as they have fewer devices to manage and shorter distances to cover. On the other hand, wide area networks WANs are computer networks that connect devices over a larger geographical area, such as a city, country, or even the entire world. WANs are slower and less reliable than LANs, but they can cover much greater distances and connect devices from different locations. Understanding Ethernet technologies and standards. Ethernet is a family of computer networking technologies commonly used in local area networks LANs and metropolitan area networks MANs. It was first developed by Xerox Corporation's Palo Alto Research Center PARC in the 1972 and has since evolved into various standards such as Ethernet 2, Fast Ethernet, Gigabit Ethernet, and 10 Gigabit Ethernet. The basic concept behind Ethernet is that multiple devices can communicate with each other using a shared communication medium, typically a copper or fiber optic cable. Each device on the network has a unique MAC address, which is used to identify it and ensure that data is sent to the correct destination. Ethernet uses a protocol called carrier sense multiple access with collision detection (CSM-CD) to manage access to the shared communication medium, which helps prevent collisions and ensures efficient use of the network bandwidth. The benefits of VPN virtual private network implementations. Virtual private networks VPNs are an essential tool for businesses and organizations that need to protect sensitive data by encrypting all data that is transmitted over the internet. VPNs help prevent unauthorized access and ensure that information remains secure. Investing in a good VPN system can bring many benefits, including increased productivity, improved collaboration, and enhanced security. For example, employees can work remotely without compromising security, and teams can collaborate on projects from different locations without worrying about data breaches or cyber attacks. Wireless networks and technologies. Wireless networks have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their convenience and flexibility. Unlike traditional wired networks, which require physical connections between devices, wireless networks use radio waves to transmit data between devices. This allows for greater mobility and flexibility, as users can connect to the network from anywhere within range of the wireless signal. One of the key benefits of wireless networks is their ability to support a wide range of devices, including laptops, smartphones, tablets, and IoT devices. This makes them ideal for use in homes, offices, and public spaces such as airports and cafes. However, wireless networks also have some drawbacks, such as limited range and potential security risks. It's important to implement strong security measures to protect against unauthorized access and data breaches. Conclusion: building a strong network infrastructure. In conclusion, a strong network infrastructure is crucial for businesses and organizations to operate efficiently and effectively in today's digital age. We have covered the importance of having reliable network services, the differences between LANs and WANs, and overview of Ethernet technologies and standards, the benefits of VPN implementations and wireless networks and technologies. Investing in a good network system can bring numerous benefits, such as increased productivity, better communication, and enhanced security. It is essential to prioritize building a strong network infrastructure to stay competitive in the market. If you want to learn more about building a strong network infrastructure, we encourage you to explore the resources provided by our company or consult with our experts who are always ready to assist you.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.